have is the AKAI turntable. It's AP-005, and we're not sure, 100% sure what's going on with this. We'll see what we can do here. So it has the old head here. Okay, so first we'll see if it can spin. Make sure it's turned on. It's making a funny sound. It's probably a belt. It's probably a belt. Yeah. So, yeah, it is a belt. When you take off the rubber mat, you can rotate the disc, and then right in here you can see the motor, and that all that black gunk is like a corroded belt. Okay, so we're gonna have to replace the belt because, you know, over 50 years or whatever, or 30 years, they do go bad, those belts. So we can just remove the tray, just popping it off, and we can see the old belt right here, and it is so old that it just kind of, you know, just corrodes away, and it's made like rubber's made from basically oil. So we'll remove this old belt. It's no good. We'll see if we can get a new belt going in here. Yeah. It's like, it is a gunky job. Look at that. Just horrible, actually. It's just like grease. It's horrible. So I have some belts here, and I'll be putting on a new belt. You just put the belts on the outside here, and then just pull it. There we go. players usually come with some sort of amplifier, so if you're having like crackling sound when you're doing the volume knob, what you can do is there's a pot right in there, and you can spray in some contact spray that you can get from Canadian Tire. Those are little pots there.
Thanks for watching this video. Hope it helped out. If you enjoy electronics or want to learn about how to fix electronics, consider subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.